Hi everyone, let's start solving today's lead code daily challenge question 1456, maximum number of vowels in a substring of given length. Okay, so let's jump on to the question. Given a string s and an integer k, return the maximum number of vowel letters in any substring with the length k. Okay, so as per this question, length is specified of every substring. So as we here we need to notice that we have to find the maximum number of vowels in a substring. So substring is the continuous part of a string, and the length of that particular substring is also fixed as per the question. Okay, so here the vowels are given to us and we need to see maximum number of vowels letters in any substring. Okay, so let's take an example for better understanding. So the example is A, E, I, O, U. Okay, and let's say k is equal to 2. Okay, so this is s and this is k. So these are the substrings a, e, I, o, I and o and u. Okay, so these are the substrings a, e, I, o, e, I, o and o, u. So we have to see the number of vowels in those substrings. So here are 2, 2, 2, 2. So maximum number of vowels are only 2 as per this question. Okay. So as the length is fixed of every substring, we are getting an intuition of using sliding window. So we'll compute the first sliding window, and after that using the previous computed sliding window results to compute the other windows to check the number of vowels in the other windows. So let's see how we can use sliding window in an optimized way. Okay, so let's take a different example. S is equal to, let's say, lead code, and the window size is, or the substring length is fixed as 3. Okay, so the first window substring is LEE. Okay, so we can check how many vowels are there here. So vowels count are, let maintain a count. So count is equal to, how many vowels are there? 1 and 2. Okay, so 2. Okay, so as we can see there are two vowels here. Count is equal to 2. Okay, now this is the first window. Can I use this result, the count of first window, in the next windows? So let's see. The next window will be EET. EET. So T is the incoming element and L is the outgoing element. So T is the incoming, L is the outgoing. Okay. So if the incoming element is a vowel, then we can increment our count, and if the outgoing element is a vowel, then we can decrement our count. In this case, the incoming element is not a vowel and the outgoing element is also not a vowel. Okay, so there is no impact on the count. So let's go to the next substring of length 3, which will be E, T and C. So now we can see E is the outgoing element and C is the incoming element. This is the outgoing and this is the incoming. Okay, so as per the algorithm, what we decided, if the outgoing element is the vowel, we can decrement our count. So count is decremented by 1. So now count is 1, and we will check the incoming element. Incoming element is C. So C is not a vowel, so we does not increment our count. Okay, let's go to next window. Next window will be TCO. Let me write that, TCO. Okay, now E is the outgoing element and O is the incoming element. Okay, so if the outgoing element is a vowel, we have to decrement. So 1 minus 1. Okay, and this will become 0, and we'll check the incoming element. Incoming element is also a vowel, so we'll increment. Okay, so in a constant time we are able to check with the help of two variables only, outgoing element and the incoming element, rather than checking the whole subarray and counting the count again of vowels again. We can check the count in a constant time. So TCO was the incoming, so that's why we incremented our count. As we can see here in substring, there is only one vowel present. Okay, so let's jump to the next substring. Next substring will be COD. OD. Okay, this was the outgoing element. This was the outgoing, and this was the incoming element. Okay, so incoming element is not a vowel, outgoing is also not a vowel, so there is no impact on the count. Okay, now let's jump to the another substring, that is O, D and E. Now the outgoing element is C. Okay, this is the outgoing element and E is the incoming element. Now O, D, E is a substring. Let's check the outgoing element. Outgoing element is not a vowel, so we'll not do anything on the count. But let's see the incoming element. Incoming element is E. So as per the algorithm, we have to increment 1 plus 1, which is 2. So at every iteration, what we will do, we will compare, we'll initialize a max count and will maintain, like after every time of computing of the next window, we'll compare it with the max count. So max count as per this example will be 2 only. So let me give you a code walkthrough as well. So I created a set of vowels to get the to check is this particular character is a vowel or not in a constant time. Then I maintained a vowels count in substring and a max count as we discussed. So I computed the first window. So I iterated the array till 0 to k, and if so I'm just checking the count of vowels in that particular window. Okay, after that I compared with max count. Okay, then rest of the windows after k, and then I am maintaining incoming characters and outgoing characters. Okay, as per the algorithm, if the incoming element is in vowel, so I will increment my vowels count, and if the outgoing element is a vowel, I am decrementing. So here I am incrementing if the incoming element is in vowel, and here I am decrementing if the outgoing element from the window is a vowel. So in a constant time I am able to check that, and max count I am comparing it with max count, and at the end I am returning the max count. So time complexity will be nothing, but here I till order of k and order of n minus k. So if I add all this up, it will be nothing but order of n. So the time complexity to solve the whole question is order of n, and space complexity is constant only because this is constant amount of space, only 5 characters we are using, that is constant, and else from here we are just using constant variables. So the space complexity will be order of 1 only. So that's it from this question. If this video helped this to solve this question, please like and subscribe. Thank you.